Are you looking to reduce your maintenance costs? Do your assets suffer from poor reliability? Is your production output low? Or are you unclear about the condition of your physical assets? To produce savings in operating and capital expenditure, you need a new approach that will reduce cost of ownership, predict the reliability of equipment, increase factory output, and offer a clear understanding of the opportunities. To increase the skill and productivity of your staff, we deliver a comprehensive range of consultancy services, strengthened by accredited training courses. Our experts embed learning to transform the health of physical assets and ensure sustainability. With the growth of Industry 4.0 and IIoT, we provide enhanced services, adopting the latest technology-based solutions. Together, these methods and tools focus on delivering improved efficiency and cost savings. That's why we guarantee to deliver a return on investment of 10 to 15 times within just 2 years, delivering significant savings and benefits worldwide, providing business-level intelligence that drives maintenance and asset management performance. Recipient in 2016 of the greatest business accolade, the Queen's Award for Enterprise, International Trade for Export Sales Performance. We are MCP Consulting Group. Get in touch today for a no-obligation initial discussion.